Hi everyone, welcome. We've been working with German question words or interrogatives in our last few lessons. So far we've covered wann, warum, was, welcher, welche, welches, wer, wen, wem, and wie. In this lesson we are going to look at how much or how many. So how much in German is wie viel, wie viel. Notice the pronunciation of the W, V, and the pronunciation of the V, viel, viel, wie viel. How many? Wie viele, wie viele. Again, notice the pronunciation of the letter W here, V, and the pronunciation of the letter V, viele, viele, wie viele. How many? Let's look at some examples. If the noun that you're using is a singular noun, you will use wie viel. So how much? How much time? Wie viel Zeit? Wie viel Zeit? How much water? Wie viel Wasser? Wie viel Wasser? How much money? Wie viel Geld? Wie viel Geld? Again, we've chosen wie viel in all of these examples because Zeit, Wasser, and Geld are all singular nouns. When it's a plural noun, we say how many. So how many people? Wie viele Personen? Wie viele Personen? How many cell phones? Wie viele Handys? Wie viele Handys? And how many rooms? Wie viele Zimmer? Wie viele Zimmer? That's it for this lesson. Thanks so much for watching. If you found it helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like. If you're ready to continue learning German and go on to the next lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. Bis bald.